Mercedes engine. Rip. There's a broom. Sorry if it's a bit grainy. I'm gonna have to deal with it to see in here. I can see better with my fucking camera than I can with my own eyes. That scared me. Sorry. So while we were at this place, we came across this really creepy old guy that was there. Every time we saw him, all he did was smile at us and continue taking pictures of the doll that he had. And we ran into him several times and said hello in German, and he just stared at us and then turned towards his doll and kept taking photos. Luckily, I was able to get him on video doing this before we left, because I really don't think anybody would believe us if we told them that this guy was doing this. This might help. I find it funny, you go to a place like this and you like see other people and they're just like, stay away from you.
Nobody knows if they're supposed to be here or not. Kind of hilarious.
You what?
Because nobody knows if the other people are supposed to be here or not, then they assume that they also aren't supposed to be here. So they gotta stay away. Just everywhere.
Wait, you ran into him again?
Yeah. These little ones.
It's a fucking spider.
I got all that on camera.
Oh, I can delete it. That's fine. Only I can see myself eat food.